The post-war period marked the dawn of the jet age, with the introduction of commercial jetliners like the Boeing 707 and the Douglas DC-8. Jet propulsion revolutionized air travel, making it faster, safer, and more efficient. The space race of the Cold War era spurred advancements in aerospace technology, leading to the development of supersonic aircraft. Today, aircraft continue to evolve with cutting-edge technologies such as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and electric propulsion, shaping the future of aviation. Benefits of aviation. Throughout history, aviation has brought about immense benefits to humanity. It has connected people and cultures, facilitated trade and commerce, and transformed the way we perceive the world. From emergency medical evacuations to humanitarian aid missions, aircraft play a vital role in saving lives and providing assistance in times of need. Aviation has also spurred economic growth, creating millions of jobs worldwide and driving innovation in various sectors. As we reflect on the remarkable journey of aviation, we are reminded of humanity's boundless ingenuity and the enduring spirit of exploration. From the humble beginnings of the Wright brothers to the marvels of modern aerospace technology, the evolution of aircraft continues to inspire wonder and awe. As we look to the skies, we are reminded that the sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning of a limitless journey towards new horizons.
This documentary was composed by Adam Alfred. I am Johnny.